Dear students, we studied in previous video the heating effect of electric current. Now in this video we are going to solve some examples based on that concept. First example is that a 6 meter long wire made from an alloy nichrome is shaped into a coil and given for producing heat. It has a resistance of 22 ohms. Can we get more heat if the wire is cut into half of its original length and shaped into a coil? For getting energy, the two ends of the wire are connected to a source with a potential difference of 220 volt. Now this example, here we have 22 ohm resistance and PD, potential difference of 220 volt. In this example we have to calculate 2 times power. A coil of whole wire. Power P is equal to V square upon R. Therefore, we have to substitute the value of voltage and R, resistance. V square is equal to 220 square and R is equal to 22. Calculating 220 square upon 22 is equal to 2200 watts. Means if coil of whole wire is used, the power is 2200 watts. And if coil of half length wire is used, means B part of this, P is equal to V square upon R. Same equation used to solve this example. Here V is equal to 220 but R is equal to half of the 22 means 11. And therefore power P is equal to 220 square divided by 11 is equal to 4400 watts. Means the more heat will be obtained after cutting the wire into half. In this example, A part power is 2200 watts and part B, when coil is half length wire, the power is 4400 watts. Now second example, a cell is connected to a 9 ohm resistance because of which heat of 400 joule is produced per second due to a current flowing through it. Obtain the potential difference applied across the resistance. In this example, we have to calculate PD across the resistance used of 9 ohm. Here given heat at 400 joule per second means we have to calculate P is equal to 400 joule divided by 1 second. P is equal to V square upon R. We have to put the value of P is equal to 400 is equal to V square upon the value of resistance 9. Therefore 400 into 9 is equal to V square. Therefore 9 into 400 is equal to 3600. And we have to calculate the value of V taking square root of both the sides. V is equal to in root 400 into 9 is equal to square root of 400 is equal to 20 and square root of 9 is 3. Therefore 20 into 3 is equal to 60 volt. Means the potential difference applied across the resistance V is equal to 60 volt. Now third example. An electric iron uses a power of 1100 watt when set to higher temperature. If set to lower temperature, it uses 330 watt power. Find out the electric current and the respective resistance for the two settings. The iron is connected to a potential difference of 220 volt. Very interesting example is here. Listen carefully, students. Here given PD is equal to 220 volt and power P is equal to, in bracket A, is equal to 1100 watt, and for B power is equal to 330 watt. Two sub examples are here. For A, power P we have to take 1100 watt, and therefore current I1 is equal to P upon V is equal to 1100 upon 220 is equal to, cancelling, it becomes I1 is equal to 5 ampere. And in B part of this example, power P is equal to 330 watt, I2 is equal to P divided by V is equal to 330 upon 220 is equal to 1.5A. Means in first case, resistance R1 is equal to V upon I1. Voltage is constant, 220 upon I1 is equal to 5 is equal to 44 ohm resistance in part A of this example. And for part B, resistance R2 is equal to, voltage is constant, 220 divided by I2 is equal to 1.5. Therefore, the resistance R2 is equal to 146 ohm. Now, the final example 4 from this is an electric tungsten bulb is connected into a home circuit. The home electric supply runs at 220 volt potential difference. When switched on, a current of 0.45 ampere flows through the bulb. What must be power of the bulb? If it is kept on for 10 hours, how many units of electricity will be consumed? In this example also interesting and innovative. In this example, potential difference is 220 volt and current supplied in this circuit is 0.45 ampere. Now we have to calculate the power W is equal to potential difference V into current A. Substituting two values of potential difference and current, 220 into 0.45 watt, the power is equal to 99 watt. Now we have to calculate for 10 hours. The bulb must be of power 99 watt. In 10 hours, 99 watt into 10 hours is equal to 990 watt hour. Means in kilowatt we have to divide 990 by 1000 and hence it is equal to 0.99 kilowatt hour. Here we have studied 4 examples. In first example, we have calculated the power of electric current. In second example, we have calculated the potential difference across the resistance. In third example, we have calculated the resistance, and in fourth example, we have calculated the power of the bulb. Okay.